Welcome to JH. In this guide, I am going to show you how to include an email field on your Google form. This is a highly useful feature that can significantly improve your data collection process, whether you are managing RSVPs, gathering feedback, or setting up registration forms. Over the next few minutes, you will learn all the details of customizing your Google form to capture email addresses both efficiently and effectively. First, you need to access your account. So let's start by navigating to the Google Forms homepage. If you are not already logged in, you will see an option to do so at the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Sign In button. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. After typing it in, click Next. Then, enter your password and hit Sign In again to reach your Google Forms dashboard. With the login process complete, it is time to choose the specific form you want to edit. You likely already have a form in mind, so browse through your dashboard to find it. Once you locate the desired form, simply click it to open the editor and prepare for the next step. Looking at your form, you will want to access the settings to customize it further. You can find the Settings button near the top right, represented by a gear icon. Clicking this will open a variety of options, but do not let that overwhelm you. It is crucial to navigate to the section where you manage responses. This is where you ensure your form is configured to handle the information it receives, particularly email addresses in this case. Click on the Responses tab, where you will see several options for how data is collected and managed. Now, look for the key drop-down menu. This menu is important because it contains the option to select the type of input you want from your responders. Click the drop-down to explore the different fields you can add. For the main part of our tutorial, select the Responder Input option. By clicking this, you are opting to collect email addresses from everyone who completes your form. This setup ensures that every response is paired with an email, making it effortless for you to follow up or organize your data. Just like that, you have tailored your Google form to include an essential field for email collection. It is a straightforward process that offers many benefits, from enhancing communication with your audience to streamlining your overall organization. Whether you are organizing an event or conducting research, adding an email field is a powerful way to stay organized. Remember that Google Forms is a versatile tool that can be customized for many needs. Today, you have taken another step toward mastering its capabilities. Keep experimenting with different settings to make your forms both functional and engaging. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has made the process of adding an email field clear and effective.